thanks so much for joining us. So today we're going to talk about getting started with the web application. We're going to go over opening the application from the URL provided, logging in, saving it as a bookmark, and a couple extra things just to keep in mind. Without further ado, let's get started. To open the web application, you're going to want to access the URL that was given to you through an email. So I've got mine here in a Word document. So you're going to want to go ahead and copy and paste this URL into your web browser. You're going to want to make sure that you copy and paste it, that you make sure that you type it in letter for letter, character for character, exactly how it is. It's very important that it is typed exactly the way it was sent to you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it right into my web browser. I'll go ahead and you'll see this page should pop up. You'll notice it looks strangely similar to the web app, or excuse me, to the mobile app. It's because it is. So everything you can do on the mobile app, you can do here from the web browser as well. So kind of a couple things to note about this as well. You'll notice that the URL changed as soon as I loaded the page, added this home. Okay, so you'll notice that again, even though you copied and pasted it, once it loads, it does actually change. So if I were to refresh this page, it says it is not available. Okay, so just some things to note about that. So to go ahead and log in, you're going to log in the exact same way you do to the mobile application. You come down here to member login, and it's the same username and password that you use for the mobile application, which is the same one that you use to log in to the desktop. Okay, and we'll go ahead and log in. And you'll notice, just like I said, it is the exact same options as the mobile applications. You have your patients, customers, calendar, your daily worksheet via the location management, and the utter check log as well. So you can also go ahead and bookmark this tab as well. That way you don't have to keep copying and pasting out of the email. But like I said, every time that you load this page, you'll notice that the URL changes. So you want to make sure that when you do bookmark this page, you hit more. You change the URL that's being bookmarked, because you want to go ahead and copy and paste the URL that was given to you in the email for the URL in the bookmark. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now you'll notice if I click this, it loads just fine. Of course, like I said, it changes the URL there, but it will load with the correct web app. So another option besides bookmarking this that you could do as well is to create a button on your website for your employees to access the web application through. I'm going to go ahead and log out really quick. So if anyone outside of your employees were to click on that link, this was the page they would see. They would not be able to access any of your data without obviously a valid username and password. So that being said, if you do decide to go this route, we'd probably recommend making sure that everyone evaluates their password strengths. So add things like capital letters, characters, numbers, etc. Make sure that the password is not the same as the username. Just kind of good evaluation of your password strengths when using this web application. So today we went over getting started with the web application. We went over opening the application from the URL provided, logging in, saving it as a bookmark, and a couple things to keep in mind, especially when it comes to password strength and potentially other ways of saving the URL, such as creating a button on your website. Of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.